welcome back to VictoriaVulture. Family, those who always come in and in, get fed up of me. Yo, loco, que soy. Hello, welcome. I'm Victoria to new timers. Nice to meet you, hope to see you again. Hope you take your stress away from your day while watching ours. But today's not stressful, today we de-stressing together. Bria and I now finished packing the bag. Don't study our looking at car canoe. I don't know how to canoe, right? But my hair canoe because why? Yes, we put it in wigs. And we gone lime and zest somewhere. I don't know. I'll show you when I reach. But I just showing you a glimpse of the back seat. How Bria and I fix it up. We put on the seats. We fix up the trunk and things so we can sleep later because we intend to. What I say is zest. So once again, thanks for joining me. Let me show you the back. Look it. When it's time to sleep, Brianna will just put those bags, the bags in the front, and we'll just fix up them little cushion, and we out. I don't know, we should have carried a cover so man when peep through the windows that we little legs skin up. We'll put a cover. We literally reached Bugmalatris in our Lower Santa Cruz, and we had to turn back because we had to go for an outfit for the girl who installed in our hair, Tadisha. So we're going to find a new little plug here and then we'll just head back up on our original route. You might see plum on the way doing how long we're looking for purple plum, and every time we see it, it only, you know, you're driving on the highway, you can't stop. But we're on the main road now and we ain't seeing none, but real mango though. I'll go on now, they make the lights. The left, yeah, I have on my glasses for a brief moment. I forget, I'm trying to talk fast. Brianna now well no, she didn't make me make. I make one bad drive, one U-turn where I shouldn't have making sour. Because while driving one direction, we see the place. And we stop quickly because Google Maps again lead us wrong again. And we end up lost somewhere in the back of Barrett area. So we find the place now. We just came to the car to get her bag and think she forget the money in the car. And I was just texting back some teachers about doing tests and weekly plan and whatever. Cat here in my mouth. So you see, even when you're trying to relax, you can't relax. Right, so we reach back there, so we're looking to go again. So we head in Santa Cruz officially this time. Yes. And we have the package. Look my bungin tungin. Reach. Well, we reach where we had to park far because the road full. It have lining in the road. So we come out of the car there now and we going. Where's my mask? Okay, we going right to the shop. Yeah, you wiggle up and look at person on the seat. Walking up this stretch. See some of this stretch. It's where the van was coming behind here, so I can't take on the stretch and skinny and to check up myself more. But look how much fruit trees has been in Santa Cruz in the nature. Look at it now. Avocado all over the tree. Sour sap. Birds singing. Let's speed it up. Well, they don't let me see some of you. What are you doing? And we're not talking to you because there's promise to put it to line. Well, yeah, Tadisha do like them man and them, they real turn you on, they play up with the pimp and real love you. And then blank you after we line with Teddy. We had a time I see like that saying and then she never, watch my face, never quality. Maybe now you can be looking hot because why? We were touched by Tadisha. Sweet already. Look at my chunga and chocolate bunny. And she big pretty eyes. You look good already. Why are you showing my monkey face? Mommy, I didn't can I get this? Who's a sexy woman here? Who is that sexy woman there? Oh my God. That is VictoriaVulture.
Huh? You ain't talking to your fans?
Yes. Oh, this is my phone.
Yes, it is.
Well, I'm finished. I still liking myself.
You
I
look
love it.
beautiful.
Thank you.
We're
We're
going.
gonna get the lashes, yeah.
We
to
forget we
touch up.
lashes in the car.
Guess what? I wanna be like Jada, Jada, Jada. Be honest, be watching me mad. I want to finish the
Outside,
well, yeah, we leaving. It's 10 past 8. If that dog loose, eh? Well, you go see how fast I just run in the people's slippers. But anyways, 10 past 8. We and I leaving by Talisha, and we're gonna figure out what we're doing when we reach back to the car. Right, like my hair, this time I ain't put no part. I just leave all going back. I swear my school supervisor come on sometime next week. I could pull it in a bun and look like Fiona. You know how much I live for. Which one? I know which one again this time. You know how much I live this weekend. Living my best life. Oh God, somebody coming. Sorry. Good night, good night. Well, you must pay attention when you're playing the ass. Look, my baby. It's easy. So he's twins. Let's stop. Peace spot. Can't stop anyway. Here's too much civilization. Bri and I have a long way to go. We live in Santa Cruz. It can't cold, you know. We stay so long. We live in Santa Cruz to go. Balandra. Balandra. Yeah, mad no ass. We by Guayama. We by Guayama stretch right after Balandra. Yeah. Well, yeah, you can say right after, but that's passing and I like a back seat front we got. Yeah, but this side there, see how fast we are right? We on Balandra side. We and I gonna head to Lancashire side now. So I don't know if we'll stay up. Like, see, oh my goodness, rubbish on the beach we are stand up. Thanks Trinidadians, do better than I always saying that. We were supposed to come out as part of Flexa, but you're hearing me right in front, right? It did. It did. That's why we're gonna do it. It did, but we thirsty. I'm trying to come out the car like a young lady. If you see my piece of dress and man watching a shame. Anyway, what you gonna do? I'm pulling it down. But yeah, we're going inside the bar now. I ain't see nobody with mask on, so I ain't feeling no how. Don't want to spoil the little some makeup I have on anyway. So we reach. Just gonna get something to drink. Good night, I'm a girl. Feel like that. Good night. What? I have one half a glass here. And I tell you, it's thicker than getting suit. I hit the phone because I'm trying to hurry up from man. My head. Yes, I hit the phone. What you gonna do? Trying to run from man. Well, you let women live now. Let them do their hair a little bit and live. Baby got Sandy. Several Shandy. So, trying to take the hair out my eye. That sea breeze nice. But yeah, we're looking to go again. As I say, we heading to Lancashire now, and we now in Arthur's Bar in Melandra. I know we're not in the car. I know. It is now just now. 12:24. It was just hard to pass home and continue on the road. So, and we sleepy. We really sleepy. Baby, when she's sleepy, she's get quiet. Then she start to sing all kind of madness off and on. And yes, no, she sleepy or she knock out because when she fly up, she started to sing roses just digging your nose. And okay, just random craziness. Nipples walk up on sandy beaches. She'll just fly up from the sleep singing, and I just get tired too. So we just decided in wisdom, let's come home and just take a little 2 hours of so much power nap. And we ain't unpacking or nothing, and then we'll well, we'll change. Yes, we could change and tidy up, and then we go head out, right? So thanks for watching. Look out for part 2 for when we wake up. Have a spit bubble. I ain't not that. For when we wake up and we head out again, right? What I say. Don't forget to press the notification bell, and if you're not yet subscribe to my channel, VictoriaVulture. And as I say, I don't know what time it is by you. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.